Hi friends, I'm Rick Walker. Welcome back to the SST Car Show. The Dodge Viper, the SRT Viper, were iconic American muscle cars. They're no longer produced, but if you ever dreamed of owning a brand new one, there is still hope because apparently some dealers still have a few new ones kicking around. Production of the Dodge Viper was discontinued in 2017. That's because sales were on the decline. But even now, there are brand new Dodge Vipers still available at some dealerships. In the last fiscal quarter, Dodge managed to sell 2 brand new Vipers from dealerships. In 2019, 5 brand new Vipers were sold. The last Dodge Viper was produced at FCA's Chrysler Assembly Plant back in August of 2017. It marked the end of a storied legacy. Today, that last Viper is part of the company's Heritage Collection. The Viper remains an iconic American muscle car. When first introduced back in 1989, it took the automotive world by storm with its massive V10 engine. It was a niche car, a flagship car for Dodge, and sales were relatively strong right up until the 2008 recession. But when the economy tanked back then, sales of Vipers never fully recovered. Today, with automakers focusing on production of trucks and SUVs, it seems unlikely that Dodge will bring back the Viper anytime soon. But for those willing to search, it seems there are still some brand new Vipers out there, available for sale through Chrysler dealerships.